kuntu nwan so ani Nhyira na ekwe ne ye pam wo mu yi wo mu ntumi nkaso wo mu ko Nigeria se mu ye ba bi ntra mu nye usi yewu enne wo mu ba Ghana enti wo man ne be ye a ejina me ne wo soso na China ni ba woda eye Zonda Tech Ghana Limited ano China adwumaku a wo mo bepiem wo man mu a wono mo car na wono mo assemble mfidie ni ade a wo mo wo man mu di ho dwuma na mbezo ba Facebook this particular lady aka asembia empanimfo no moti dwumadie na se no nya empanimfo nketewa o empanimfo akese a sa o man yi mu no etitiru ni mintini bi ewum bie enete ho no na utie nyansasem ka eni nimdisem ka o ka etwa se yetie na oman ne yede kan ye de ho a yentie no kakra ye wi a mebo akiri akasem.
In which country? We make it in Ghana. So we want to thank Ghana. You see? And who made the young, who made Alaji so big? It is the development of Ghana. It is the environment of Ghana. So sometimes when I hear Ghanaians complain that the government is not good, too many complaints. Ghana is heaven to me, honestly speaking.
Intibra Facebook na behwe oba no wose omo China adwumakuo no omo meki in Ghana je say omo ba ha no omo be di yie wo Ghana na Ghana enye oman bia keke Ghana ono no ohu Ghana say eye heaven ema wo mo oye China ni o tie no ibiem.
Ghana is heaven to Alaji, and this time I want to thank GCB Bank. You see, I always see Ghanaians are full of compassion, full of patriotism for the country. GCB Bank, when I invited the big boss to our factory, they say what I've been doing for Ghana, because I've been employing around 1,000 Ghanaians. These people, they are not laborers. I call them, they are skilled workers. In China, we don't worship lawyers. We don't worship anyone who is doing the administration work. We worship what? We worship engineers.
Enti ne all kanyina ne se omo ba o man mu no so no GCB pani bi ba o madwumakuo no mu ba beduru ho no hu nipa eye adwuma wo na ohu se de o madwuma na ekọ no na obo ma ba so no ene wo kire se wo madwuma mu ho no o ma bo mo ho mode atimi afadi pa Ghana fu mako 1,000 na womu company no Jeff obetimi anya amaya womu company no nya kese bia o Zonda Ghana Limited no edan mienu miensa ene sisi wo no da bi enya hadi womu company no wo factory yi bia ya bosso sa ba ko pebi eti ba ko ni na ohwe sede esitie no a emu nso kese bia o but miracles omo ye no bra Facebook berade. This is the factory ochese emma wo mu di yi ono China ni na waba kurumu anu ateki advantage of our system and was Ghana good sika wa ha de bia meka na adwuma nso ye betumi akreti bebre wa ha ba China ni free ni mamu abehu se opportunities wa ha we mu nyina ye Ghana adwumafu sa ba ya wi ene mrantie ye gina ne hu nyina wo ye Ghana fo enya China fo de ye adwuma wo do China adwumaku ene wo ma bepie mu Ghana ba oba Facebook a emai obayi ni member wo gina nipa 1000 a wo kan nyina ye Ghana fo a o ma fa o madwuma it means say ahaye na asem o kan ne say omu China fo no omu mbua lawyer fo ne sa administrators ne what office wa botai air conditions wusu ni ade omu mbu omu de omu a China fo bu omu pa eye omu mutimi de omu nsa eye bibi omu mo skills engineers any technical ayifo no omu mutimi ye bibi produce bibi no sa nkrofo no na China ani gi omu bra Facebook be hade na okan say na mehwe ye country mu a ubehwe Ghana na ze usi ye system no oka bibi a kire ye mpanifo bebreti wo ye ha ne ye value ne say obi atumi aboni PhD wo ye professor wo ye hwan book mu de na what office fine bono just air conditions in so aha no eno ne worship wo mo so China they don't worship those people omo worship wo mo ne wo mo a etimi eye bibi wo adwun bi etimi di eye bibi emi enya so mfaso te say o produce bibi omo ye cars engineers ene wo mo skukra bi a fashion mu bo so wo mo epam ade omo ye na etimi produce bibi ma oman no etimi de kwa adwaman so konya so mfaso ene na China fo wo mo worship sankrofo no ba yenso ye kromu ade sankrofo ne emu wo mo ye kromu a ukọ magazine a kohwe manfo how skilled they are ka bi wo kra ba ho pass ni wo ba obi timi na dwene develop bibi di shema ka ne timi sa ye adwuma na no na me de ke edu ye mfato ho ha ukopie ne ho no mo a hospital equipments a train ni ade ya ye de ni ye kraba ke edu ye bi wo ha ya sisi utimi ye timi ye hospital trace ni ade a omde yi apart from the oven ni ade a wo ye nyina skilled work omu say no na China for value omo mani gi omo enti se wan ko school enu akiri kura na otimi ya na China ni nu ani gi ne ho so obema no eso aba mfa so de ama oman. That is what China value. Na bra Facebook be hade de China for ye enkwada we wo kindergarten no we mo kindergarten for ni primary school but de kira kwala no say de ye mixing mortar enti wonyini no na adwina ye de construction edanitrim. This is what my hand ni abre but ye de ne se kodro kwa me nkroma bra ampe pala papa na yabo papa ne we kindergarten kwada KG4 we mu be hade o Facebook ye kire no se de ye si ye aduane ye si ye aduane e ma ne ye kama e serve o ye kire no se de construction no o kan ye ni guma obesifa ye ni ye. There's another one a ye kire binum carpentry be hwe weaving we nsu de ye kire o mo se de si akwada ketua we onya 5 years kra en watumi anwono mpaboa bra Facebook be rade mpaboa no anwono no saa no we obeye be 3 years look at the omoma na ye enti wonyini no na saa picture no eda ne trim skill no balance no na ohunu ye enti enye book no nko an osua wako school but omo art time a omo break omo de ye practicals no ti abiri anya book no nko a ne ba ne bi ne ba ne ho anwa no nko a but they break for the children to learn certain skills a hwe or ye say pizza o se de o chese omo na esua bibi enti yie no na akwada awi bibia be didi mu a wotimi di ye bibi ma ne yeye but ye de no ye be soa assignments 20 ama nkwada me ba no kro be duru fi kra na mesuma no assignment no say what is why sa but they are learning practical skills to obey we no all the way so ye to obey we no open engineer bi wo sector bi a we so de na artwork that Facebook be ran kwala 3 years 4 years less than 5 years for look at what they are doing. This is the real life skills China. It is a man no that zone that no can say this is what they do no kre enu na ma mu di ye omo kwa aman ahodo so bia wo mu edi ye now mamencho sa zone da ya be pie he ya ye ni age ho omo ya company ya so a wo mu apakan mu no wo mu hyase wo transu no na eye ketua bi a chese enhyeda nye company ya yibia o but aban ni so ade hunu ni se obema technology engineering akode ni muntino or started say or support to such companies that will develop it by a hano ye the taxes any ye be ku company no e ke bi te say kantanka de ye na nkotumi assemble cars ni e boa no omo skills the yibi omutumi ye engineering e yikakra e wokro na nke ye boa se be call international. That was the vision of China. The net zonda ba kromo etimi afadi pa 1000. Imagine say senke ma kantanka tre bebrebe boy de o man de ne ho hiem any other engineers a omutimi ye bibi kakra wo kromo a ye pia wo na anye se ye adwene esa law ne administration ne ho ahwan no nko aho and ye bie skilled work mu ne engineering. Do you know the number of people a ye be fa wo mu e wo kromo a adwuma ketua we wa afani pa 1000. Ye ni vision enti unemployment no gusu anabun aban enra environmental health officers akogina ho any prosifo okode enti a ye mposu wo mu ye wo bebre wo anko omo nko saa profession me say ye obi no omo ye nurses omo ye teachers omo ye yanko omo nko saa profession ba wonim say so okoko ye different course when ani gi ho no a te say de omo ye anke bi wo ho a obeye car no ne no ma engineering ne wonim so wi opportunities ni sha because ye ha no ye institutions no ye mfa align to companies ni ade to obi be wi technical university no so ankope container bia ansha ase nkakra ko pen capital aban ye ni suade hunu bia se nipa de be ma no so aba mfa so etie ne ye obi o ye engineer enso be koro no wote bank tete papers o ye engineer wo wie KNUST wan o be koro na wote bank ebi kura wo say mobile banking bag sen ne ko no ko gigi susu because no why na efa no that is where we are as a country ma na kan asem o ye ntie sa China ni no ene zonda fo no the cars ni trucks ni ade eko Eastern Europe no Middle East no ne South America no nyina akotonton enya so mfa so and China is benefiting ene wo ma based on that track tech e wo Ghana. Why can't we do it? You betumi aye because even Kantanka and the others have shown us you betumi aye okroma and now we are KSTU Kumasi Technical University nya mo ye kai omo car no kra de wo ko nyina na mframa say charge o battery charge car no say ndie we ye behwe ma sa lecturers ye omo ni nkwada ye nyina nkwada we omo bewie school project no omo ye no KSTU de no omo de bekọ akotena fie obekọ no ote bank bi tete papers na nimdia wo de ye car no wo Ghana ha me nyina ehu ya ye kopa ho ntuma na academ because ye nya babia ye ne anisuade hu na ni nyina ye kwaba China will build them. They were aligned with industries institutions ebeboas ankwada. You need to say invest. China investing in factories. They try say every baby technology be between about every district, every area, and this is their breakthrough. China and their first middle income economy were to me ranking among the world's top innovators. China na here Ghana kwani better than China some years back here. And Oma be wiase ye nidaso ene won ka amaya hodo a omudimu wo wiase a China omodini enka ho is about innovation, it's about creativity yenwene na nani akosi faculty of humanity, faculty of ahwan na ye kira ne se book mu je be wie no na nipa ne unemployment wo ne ye dede saa obia na ne national income per capita just $13,660. 16% of that of US. And then sa country na China no develop here na can world tech ni adia wo mo ka ho bi. And now about 10 top global innovators untumi ni China film. They even ranked 10th 2025 year Global Innovation Index. Omo to so 10. BT powerful countries like Germany. So can't be technology. Germany, Japan, France, China, ABT. They plan since 1978. They decided say a do baby as it be innovation hub, it be engineering hub, or be a penindia or by side now to me. And I'm not shocked. I'm not surprised. Send they China, a do baby or my do. I'm not surprised at all. But Facebook never had it. These are enkwada. Yes, adian. And that's all we are seeing in our global manufacturing. China, mutimi manufacture no mama kwechira China. 31%. 31%. But yet ya. Economy nenye. Bagana ni yeni suadimu. It's time say China didn't train people just like that too. But or try say or train to build factories, labs ni ecosystems ebe absorb omo. Ti wo ye nyina na wo ba bia omo ko hye na omo so aba mfaso. Behind the any atuagum every technical university wo promo abia no ese tie no to industrial park and a production hub bi. Se be omo wie ya wo mo ko so aba mfaso amoman no. Temani Kenanka light manufacturing, logistics near the takradi, oil and gas near the renewable engineering good and baby ye kua na ade nso agro processing wo mo betumi aye tractors nketewa bi obi ntumi nkoto tractor be 5 billion a obenya de yaye no kakra bi a enu bi atai no kra ye mienu na no mehu ba ko bi sei ne fe ukura mu sei ya na wo de do wafu na pla wo ma wo ne ye sa no ma no ebi kra betumi a ship akwa other countries to get money ba ne yetete hu kromu ase obewie no engineer pa no what bank tete purpose bra Facebook be skills a yehia wo Ghana enoma skills a yepepa this one Ghana Labor Market Information System e ho na me fa we 5 most soft after skills a Ghana hwade number 1 ye de ICT baby a yaduru China e build the AI a wo kɔ nanim dindindindindin ye triade ne ye afa ho ese ye codes program hu ni tin hu ni nan say kɔ de bawu engineering number 2 ene da ho no engineering ye number 2 eno na enyumakuo ni ade no pe bebre ba ye ha no ye de ani akɔkyerɛ ada courses a ensheda fit industry ni to mewie no munya adwuma nye ba wo hwɛ a yes skills pa wo mo pekese ICT engineering that's the top 2 yensesa yakwan no na nyesa wo man ne de na make an unemployment no asie2 no be ye din asie2 be ye din ena maame na tuyefo no se omo aba ha kromu ha ye sika wa ha higher heaven by a candy phone in India ombema hana benefit here. That is why we are suffering as a country. Let's change our trajectory. That's my message for our leadership today. Nhyira 104.5.